there is a question here. We are into divisions of polynomials. So we have given a question, x squared plus 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 1. So what are we going to get? So using long division method. So we have this as this. Our x squared plus 3x plus 5, x squared plus 3x plus 5, then our x plus 1. So from here, x plus 1 is our divisor, which is our y that I explained earlier on the introduction of divisions of polynomials. Then our x squared plus 3x plus 5 is our dividend, and here is our quotient. Now, what are we going to do? How can we divide this using this divisor to the first dividend so we can get our quotient? Also, if you have remainder, we know what we are going to do. Now, x plus 1. How many x plus 1 can we see in x squared plus 3x plus 5? That's what it asks us to do. So let us take the first variable, which is x. How many x can we see in x squared? We see it 1. So we write it here. X, we now use this to multiply all this, to multiply x and to multiply what? To multiply y. X times x, we have x squared, plus x times 1, we have x. If you look this question, this is a word. This is a word binomial. It's a binomial because this is what 0, 1, 2. Then the degree of this x, the highest degree of this x is what? Is 2, and it's called what? Binomial. Now, since we have multiplied this one by this, we got this. We have to subtract. If we subtract, what are we going to get? This one, x squared minus x squared, we get 0. 3x minus plus x, we get 2x. So what is now here? 5. We write it here, plus 5. How many x plus 1 can we see in 2x and plus 5? X into x, we see it what? We see 2. We have to multiply these 2 by this. We have to multiply these 2 by this. 2 times x, we have 2s, plus 2 times 1, we have 2. Then what are we going to do? We are going to subtract 2s plus 2s minus 2s, 0, plus 5 minus plus 2, we get what? 3. It means we have our remainder. And if you have our, as I said, that this is our what? Dividend, and this one is what? X plus 1, our divisor, and this is our quotient. So from here, since we have remainder, and I give some terms, I give some condition that whenever x all over y is equal to z without remainder, we have our what? Quotient only. But we have x all over y is equal to z, and we have remainder. We must have what? We must have our what? Have our y. Our y is what? Divisor. So it means since we have remainder, we are going to use this. That is our z. What's our z? Our z is our quotient. Our x is remainder, and our y is what? Divisor. So from here, since we have remainder, we now have what? Y. What's our y? X plus 2. Our quotient plus what's our remainder? 3. All over what? Our what? Divisor. X plus 1. So x squared plus 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 1, we get this. So this is our final answer for this. And I will do another problem again so that we will look to it, and then we will now go to how can we do a polynomial division, long division, anything polynomials, when we are given some modulo, maybe modulo 5, modulo 6, and others. So from here, check the next video so that we can continue on our polynomials. Thanks.